Okay, good morning to all. Today topic is transformation of random variables. This topic will be under the unit 2-dimensional random variable. So we are going to have two random variables x comma y. So it will be any random variable with the joint probability density function f of x comma y. So now I am going to transform this x comma y to the variable u and v. So u will be a sum function of x and y, and v will be a sum function of x and y. The joint probability density function of u and v we need to find. So that will be some function of u and v. So here we have a formula to find the joint probability density function of u and v. G of u comma v equal to f of x comma y into Jacobian. That is what mod J. That's denoted as a mod J, that is nothing but dou of x comma y by dou of u comma v. So already you have studied the Jacobi in the first semester. So this is a formula to find the Jacobi of dou of x comma y by dou of u comma v. That is nothing but the determinant of dou x by dou u, dou x by dou v, dou y by dou u, dou y by dou v. So first of all you should know what is x in terms of u and v, and then y in terms of u and v. So actually they will be given only a u in terms of x and y, v in terms of x and y. I need to change x in terms of u and v, and then y in terms of u and v. Sometimes they may not give the any one of the variables. Say they may give only the u value, and they may not give the what is a v. They may not define what is v. So that time we have to take v equal to capital Y or simply y. Sometimes they may give v, they may not give the u. So that time you have to take u equal to x. So from that I can get the Jacobi value of dou of x comma y by dou of u comma v. After finding this, I am going to substitute the formula. The second thing what I want to do here is I want to know what is f of x comma y in terms of u and v. So f of x comma y will be actually in terms of x and y. I need to change that x into u and v and y in terms of u and v. So already we know what is x in terms of u and v, y in terms of u and v for the purpose of Jacobian. That will be used here so that the purely f of x comma y will be changed in terms of u and v. So this whole term will give you the functions of u and v. So you get the joint probability density function of u and v. The last thing what you have to do is you need to know what's the range of u and v. That means what the u may take the values between the two values, and v will take the values between the two values. So what are the values for u and v? You can get the values of u and v from x and y. So already they defined the f of x comma y with the range of x and y. So from that range I need to get the value of u and v. So that's what I already given, that f of x comma y must be expressed in terms of u and v. So this will be a problem. I am taking the first question. So we need to find the density function of u. So they given the joint PDF of two-dimensional random variable x comma y. So they given the f of x comma y is a functions of u x comma y. So they define that x will be the taking greater than or equal to 0, y will be greater than or equal to 0. For the other values the function will be 0. So first thing what I want to do here is I want to check what they define for u and v. Say they define u equal to root of x square plus y square. V they not defined here. So I want to assume that v equal to y. From that I need to change x and y in terms of u and v. So here the change x is equal to root of u square minus v square. Same thing y equal to v. From this I can get the Jacobi. So we are going to find what is dou x by dou u, dou x by dou v, dou y by dou u, dou y by dou v. So if you differentiate partially with respect to u, that x, you get this value, u by root of u square minus v square. Same thing for dou x by dou v minus v by root of u square minus v square. Dou y by dou u. So in that y we don't have the function of u. So if you differentiate with respect to u, you get the 0. Same thing for dou y by dou v. We are going to differentiate y with respect to v partially, you get the 1. So if you simplify this determinant, you get u by root of u square minus v square. This is my Jacobi value. So from this I can get the g of u comma v. So already I have f of x comma y. Just I am going to substitute the x and y values in terms of u and v. you get the joint PDF of u comma v. So this is a way you can find the joint PDF of u and v from the random variable x and y.